Hello student, today we'll discuss on the topic of performance parameter of SMPS. Performance parameter of SMPS, the terms based on load regulation, line regulation, ripple rejection, output impedance, dropout voltage, etc. See the line regulation. The line regulation is the ability of a power supply to maintain a constant output voltage despite changes to the input voltage, with the output current drawn from the power supply remains constant. Does mean that line regulation is the ability of power supply to maintain the constant output voltage whenever the input voltage will be varied, still they should provide the constant output. Line regulation, delta V0 means output voltage variation upon variation in input voltage multiplied by 100. Delta Vi is the change in input voltage, while delta Vo is the corresponding change in output voltage. It is desirable for a power supply to maintain stable output regardless of changes in the input voltage. The line regulation is important when the input voltage source is unstable or unregulated, and this could result in significant variation in the output voltage. Next term is the load regulation. So load regulation is the capability to maintain a constant voltage or current level on the output channel of a power supply despite change in the supply load. In line regulation, changes in the input voltage. Here is the supply load, such as change in resistance value connected across the supply output. Load regulation of a constant voltage source is defined by the equation percentage load regulation is equal to 100% in bracket V min load minus V max load total term divided by V nominal load upon load. V normal load upon, see the terminology, where V max load is the voltage at maximum load. When you can call that it is the maximum load. The maximum load is one that draws the greatest current, that is the lowest specified load resistance, but never short circuit. V minimum load is the voltage at minimum load. The minimum load is the one that draws the least current, that is the highest specified load resistance, possibly open circuit for some type of linear supplies, usually limited by pass transistor minimum bias. V nominal load is the voltage at the typical specified load. Typical specified load. Next terminology is the ripple rejection. Ripple rejection is the ability of an amplifier to maintain accurate output voltage despite AC fluctuation in power supply. I repeat again, ripple rejection is the ability of an amplifier to maintain accurate output voltage despite AC fluctuation in power supply. Next terminology, output impedance. All devices have some resistance and capacitance, and therefore no device can be perfect source. I repeat again, all devices have some resistance and capacitance, and therefore no device can be perfect source. Some portion of device measured output impedance may not physically exist within the device. This impedance can be imagined as an impedance in series with an ideal voltage source or in parallel with an ideal current source. Output impedance is defined as real impedance is in series with an ideal voltage source. Next is your dropout. So dropout is the smallest difference between a regulator's input and output voltage, which is required to maintain regulation and enable the regulator to provide rated voltage and current. See, dropout means what? The smallest difference between regulated input and output voltage, which is required to maintain regulation and enable the regulator to provide rated output and current. For example, 5 voltage they provide, we require 2 volt dropout, like this. Power factor. The power factor of AC electrical power system is defined as the ratio of the real power absorbed by the load to the apparent power floating in the circuit. Power factor of an AC electrical power system is defined as the ratio of the real power absorbed by the load to the apparent power floating in the circuit. So this performance of this SMPS, it depends upon this all the parameters: line regulation, load regulation, ripple rejection ratio, output impedance, like this one. Okay, thank you.